Welcome to Doplac CRM, the ultimate CRM solution for digital agencies. When you are managing your digital agency, creating and managing an invoice is an essential part of a digital agency. So this is the video I'll be showing you how you can create and send an invoice to your client using Doplac CRM. Click on invoice under the client portal, and this is the page where you can find all of your invoices. To create a new invoice, just click on create new invoice, choose your invoice name. Then click on create. Okay, it is. At the very beginning, choose your company or choose your, if you are a solopreneur or if you have a company, then choose your logo first. And I'm going to choose my logo. It is done. Choose your name. I'm going to give my name. Your email address. Okay. Another address line, provide your address. Make sure choose your client email address. If you don't have any client onboarded on your Doplac, you can onboard your first client just by clicking on add new client. Or if you need any help about onboarding your first client on your Doplac CRM, then I'll be add a video to the I button so you can check the video out. So as I already have 2 clients, so I'm going to choose my client email address from here. Okay, here is the issue date is as I'm making the video today. It's 9th of June, so the issue date is 9th of June. The due date is, I'm going to choose the due date. I have chose the due date 14th of June. So now I have to choose my service. If you already have services available on your Doplac CRM, as we have made video about how you can create services. If you need help, I will once again add a video to the I button. You can check the video out. Or if you want to create any custom invoice, then you can do it, as I'm going to create a custom invoice. Okay, then choose your invoice rate. For me it's $4.99. Okay, quantity 1. Okay, under the description option, if you have any specific description for the product or services, then you can write down here, but it's optional. Then if you want to add more item, just click on add more item. I'm going to choose some services that I have created before on my Doplac CRM. So I'm going to choose this service. It's done. So my total invoice value is $1,098. If you want to provide any discount or if you want to add any tax, then you can do it. Click on add discount. You can provide discount based on 2 different variants. You can provide discount based on percentage or flat rate, whatever you are comfortable with. Okay, so at the same way you can choose tax based on percentage and flat rate. So I'm not going to choose at this moment. If you need, then you can do it. Okay, then you can add any specific node. I'm not going to add any node at this moment. Okay, just click on add payment link. As my payment method is connected, at this point you have to make sure that your payment method is connected to your Doplac CRM. At this moment my Stripe is connected, so if you need any help about connecting your Stripe to your Doplac account, I'll be add a video to the I button. Once again, you can check the video out how you can connect your Stripe. I have explained everything on the video. Okay, so if the invoice you are creating at this moment it's one time, then you don't need to do anything. Just click on create generate payment link. Or if it's recurring, then click on recurring, choose your recurring time, then just click on generate payment link. So every recurring time the payment will be automatically collected from the client. So I'm gonna make the invoice for one time, so I have chose one time, then click on generate payment link. So this is the payment link. Then when you are done, just if you want to save and download it, then just click on save and download. Then the invoice will be downloaded, then you can send it to your client. Or if you just want to save it, just click on save. Once again, you can check out the preview, is everything okay or not. So my invoice is okay. So it is done, my invoice is created. So this is the very simple way you can create your invoice using Doplac CRM.